Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Okay, so guys, today we are going to be making Uziza soup, a very delicious Uziza soup. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce you my ingredients for this soup. Guys, these are the list of the ingredients you'll be needing to prepare your Uziza soup. I have my beef here and my pomo here. Here I have my Uziza leaf, I have my yellow pepper, and I have my ogiri. This is my ogiri. Let me show you inside. Like this is what ogiri looks like. Ogiri. I have my onion for seasoning my meat. My thickener I'm using of 4. You can use any thickener of your choice. You can use that chicken, any thickener of your choice. I have my crayfish, I have my red onion, I have my seasoning cube and my salt. I also have here my dried fish. I'll be soaking it right now with hot water, okay, for just 3 minutes so that it can be easy for me to debone it and remove all the bones. So guys, let's start cooking. And if you have not subscribed up to this point, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, okay, do all that good stuff to your girl. Help your girl get to 500 this month, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you. So let's get started. So guys, I will start now by adding my meat. I've already washed this meat. It's frozen. I'll add my onion. I'll add my pepper. Add my seasoning cube. I'll add in my water. I'm not going to be steaming this meat. Don't have that time now to steam it. I want everything to cook fast. I'm adding enough water for my soup. I'm going to stir this. I didn't add salt, so I want this meat to cook fast because of the cow skin, so that it won't take longer time to cook. So I'm going to cover the pot now and let it, okay? So guys, I'm going to be adding in my fish and my dried fish now, okay? Our meat have been boiling for a while now. And to add in other things. So I'll go in with my fish. I'll go in with my salt. cover and let it cook for 7 minutes, okay? Now we'll add in the rest of the things. So guys, I'll go in with my oil now. Followed in by my thickener. I'll be adding my thickener. Going to add in my ogiri. Don't worry, the will is going to dissolve inside the soup. Okay? Going to cover and let this cook for 3 minutes before adding in our meat. If you have watched me up to this point, means you like my video, please help me to click on the like button and do not forget to subscribe, okay? So guys, I'm going now with my Uziza leaf. I'm going to add my Uziza leaf now, and I will stir everything and let it cook for about 3 minutes, and our soup is ready guys. Our soup is ready guys. So if at this point you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Like my video, comment on my video, okay? Please guys, help your girl get to 500 subscribers before Sunday. All right, I know we can do it. We are almost there. Please help me get there, okay? So guys, it's 3 minutes later. I'm giving this soup the last stir and our soup is ready guys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, comment on my video and share. All right, until I come your way next time, bye.